Experience elevated living in this brand new, luxurious 3 BHK semi-furnished flat located in the prestigious Kohinoor community by Auro Realty. Perfectly positioned near Yashoda Hospital in Hitech City, Hyderabad, this 7th-floor residence offers unmatched comfort, convenience, and panoramic views, all within one of the city's most sought-after locations. Spread across an expansive 2,200 square feet, this east-facing flat is designed to let in abundant natural light and fresh air while offering stunning open views of the city skyline. The layout is thoughtfully planned with spacious bedrooms, elegant bathrooms, a modern kitchen setup, and a generous living and dining area, ideal for both everyday living and entertaining guests. The semi-furnished unit comes with essential fittings and finishes, offering the flexibility to add personal touches and make it your own. Whether you're a family seeking a comfortable lifestyle or a professional looking for a sophisticated urban dwelling, this home caters to your every need. Residents of Kohinoor enjoy world-class amenities, including a ready-to-use clubhouse, an Olympic-style swimming pool, and a fully equipped gymnasium. These state-of-the-art facilities provide a perfect balance of leisure and fitness right at your doorstep.